guys for Vlogs. So today I bought this thing. I saw this on TikTok, so I was like, why not buy this? So I bought it. So let's open this up. What the world? Ow! Sorry guys, I'm aggressive at opening stuff like this. Finally, okay. Did I break it or something? Oh no. It comes with the thing. Oh true, I broke something. Okay. We need a battery for this? Sorry guys, I'm aggressive at opening stuff like this. Finally, okay. Did I break it or something? Oh no. It comes with the thing. Oh true, I broke something. Okay. We need a battery for this? 1 minute, I will get some battery and come. Okay, fine. I finally got the battery in, and now I think we just have to put this thing in this. Oh, I'm kind of scared of that because what if I spill it everywhere? I literally had to find it. Like it took me like 30 minutes just to find the. So. Oh my gosh! Why do they have to do this to me? Oh, finally, let's go, bro. Okay. Okay, I'll put some inside. Okay, that's enough. And I think we just put this in. Wait, where is the button? Okay. And then I think it's. Oh, yes, finally. Now will it work? Wait, it's making one bubble. Oh, hey! It works! Oh, it works! Finally! It's popping all over my face. Okay, let's do it again. There is one trend on TikTok where you just like. Wow, this is actually working. Oh my eye! Overall, I rate this thing the sicko mode. Okay, it's you. Wow, this is insane. It's just awesome. I think I will rate it 7 out of 10 because it's so fun to play with. So subscribe for more, and thanks for watching. Bye.
You're never gonna make it, you're not good enough. There's a million other people with the same stuff. You really think you're different? Man, you must be kidding. Think you're gonna hit it, but you just don't get it. It's impossible.